What's up, guys? We're out here at Jesse Legault's new drift crib. We're gonna check it out.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the drift house. Come on in. So when you come inside, we've done our best to completely renovate it and kind of make it our own. We got new countertops, new table, new couch cushions. They're actually the original. They're just reupholstered by Sarah and her grandmother, so thanks to them. We got a smart TV so we can watch YouTube, Netflix, stuff like that. Yeah, new floors, propane forced air furnace, little mini fridge to keep your coolies. Double sink here so you can wash your paws, you know, after the events. It's the original sink, original plumbing. I did do new countertops though. If you look around, just little storage compartments everywhere. Underneath here, when we do the walk around, you'll see these are kind of access compartments, access doors to those compartments on the outside. So we'll be having some storage probably on this side, keep my clothes or whatever in there. We'll be wiring in this deck, so, you know, sound surround or whatever, you can hook up your iPhone, play some music at the track. That'll be nice. Replace this old Delco unit, looks like it's out of an old GMC truck or something like that. So, been drifting for, I don't know, 6-7 years now, and what I've noticed is when you take yourself out of a competitive atmosphere, you really get to dial your car in and you have a lot more fun. Driving on the road is always a pleasure, going to like Park Fest and Independence Mat Surrey, stuff like that. You know, it's always fun. Driving places like that, the long distance is always good. On this side you got your 4-burner stove and oven, so that's kind of nice. We could even do some baking and stuff if it's not too hot in here. Up top it's a queen size sleeping compartment. We gotta cut this foam to fit still. A little TV with a built-in DVD player for the little guy. He can watch his cartoons and stuff like that when he gets fussy or whatever. Underneath here you got your water. So that's 30 gallons. Should keep us clean, and we won't be drinking it. We'll just be washing hands and brushing your teeth and stuff like that. Everything's fully functional, which was nice, being that it is from 1975. All the propane stuff is all original, so that's kind of nice. Do have the electric fridge now. That's no longer propane. There's a little closet space in there. Make do with what you got, I guess. Underneath here, hot water, and your battery goes here, so that charges as you drive, which is kind of nice. You don't have to always have hookups to have lights and TVs on or whatever. It's kind of tight, but if you look in here, we got our wet bath, so it's a toilet, a sink, and a shower all in one. Everything does work, so I'll be able to have showers. We are living out of this for probably 2 months, so we tried to get the best camper that suits what we need. It is a very long unit, and they make them pretty big back in the day, so this seemed to suit what we needed, and I think it'll be cozy. So doing, you know, long road trips like that really kind of hones your skill, being able to drive with different guys and different tracks and stuff like that. It really takes you further in the competitive atmosphere. You know, you're more comfortable in the driver's seat and stuff like that. So one of the downfalls to traveling is always having to do hotels or you know, camp at the track, and it's always a good time. You end up being really greasy after, you know, 3 days of not showering, and you know, when I first started, I was all for that. It was great grassroots driving, you know, 6 tires in the back of the 240 with a tent. It was great. But, you know, 8 years driving now, I feel like it's time to progress with everyone. And I don't have a huge budget for these big race haulers, so. So looking from the outside, you can see the unit as a whole. Starting at the top, it's a 1975 kit camper. It's meant for a truck, 10.5-foot bed. Underneath is that's actually a snowmobile trailer, but I kind of built it to suit what we're using it for. It's 24 feet with the V-nose, which kind of helps because it's like a little deck space. We'll have probably a barbecue or something off there. Outside here, I made these little tool compartments, which will be nice for the track. I got all my hand tools and jacks and jack stands and, you know, zip ties and rags, water, oil, tie downs. Here's that little access hatch I was talking about before. There's one on either side, so you can access from the inside as well, which is nice. That side's pretty much all mine, and the other side's all going to be like, you know, mechanical storage and clothes and stuff. We got our tire rack here. It's an 8-foot wide bed, so, or deck I should say. So depending on tire size, you know, we'll be able to fit 8 to 10 wheels, tires, whatever you want to fit up there. That should be plenty. Looking at the deck here, it's 12 feet remaining. 240 is 13 feet, so we'll have about a foot hanging off the back, which is, I think, okay for me. 10-foot ramps, so the deck is high, but 10-foot ramp should give us enough clearance so the car doesn't get hung up. I know I had that problem last year, but yeah, that's the unit there. Pretty excited for it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you follow and subscribe on 403 Street Driven's channel. You can go to my Instagram at Titan_Fabrication to follow my build. I should have my car done in the next week or two. Evan's still doing the wiring, got the Hull Tech, so we're just gonna wire up and hopefully have that done soon. But yeah, thanks for watching and keep following throughout the summer. We're gonna be going on a big road trip and hopefully have a little series coming up. So thanks for watching and hope you guys like it. See you later.